Ridecell's technology conveniently and easily coexists and integrates with the systems fleet management companies already have in place to manage entire vehicle life cycles for the fleet customers they serve.
Interestingly enough, these fleet management companies, the fleet leasing companies, have been around for decades and decades, right? And they grew from various aspects of that industry, whether they were started with acquiring, configuring, and delivering the vehicles, to managing and operating the fleets on behalf of the customers, to actually remarketing those fleets. So these fleet management companies grew and expanded and became very successful in those aspects of the business. What was interesting is, as they were growing, they were solving specific problems. And as part of solving those specific problems, they were looking at digital tools, technology, systems to go help address that. Fast forward, a decade or multiple decades, is those organic growth created the environment where these fleet companies were really good at addressing specific aspects of providing their services to the customer. But as the needs grew, the complexity grew in terms of either fleet companies were introducing new products, new services, new capabilities, their ability to actually evolve their applications. Some were expensive applications that were bought off in the market, something they grew organically in-house. Their ability to quickly adapt to manage those business operations, because now, based on the complexity, it was not about just one function solving one part of the problem. It was really more about how they manage the entire life cycle of the vehicle, because these fleet companies are providing services across the various stages of the life cycle. So the ability to orchestrate that entire operation across these systems they've had over time became challenging. And that's where we come in, right? So we're not really there to replace any system or any tool or technology that fleet management companies have that come to love, comfortable, and really supports that area of the business. What we do is really, we're a sort of horizontal platform, if you may, which connects and interacts with these various systems, so that we can overlay this entire life cycle of the process for those business activities and the services they're providing the customer. So we coexist. In fact, our secret sauce is our ability to conveniently coexist, to conveniently integrate with these systems, to really bring this layer of business orchestration on top of these functional transaction system, is where we've helped and differentiate and actually accelerate some of the transformation that the fleet industries are going through.